In today's session, the industrial index remained on a downward trend, easing 0.45% to close at 100.39 points. The index has been on a decline for the past 8 consecutive sessions and is edging closer to the psychological 100-point mark. When the indices were rebased in 2009, 100 points became the best level, with stocks adopting the old mutual take-on prices. The mining index likewise came off 4.05% to close at 18.74 points. Driving the index's performance were mainly losses in heavy caps, which included Delta, Insco, BAT and Hippo. CBZ and Insco spin-off, Simbisa, completed the set. Simbisa was the worst performing counter as it came off 2.68% to close at 14.5 cents after its bakery unit reported a surge in volumes as well as turnover driven by promotions. BAT knocked off minus 2.08% to close at 1,175 cents ahead of its interims later this week, while Insco fell minus 1.27% to close at 19.5 cents, which is a 5-year low precipitated by Simbisa's unbundling from the group. Delta came off 0.95% as consumer demand continues on a decline. The counter closed today's session at 52 cents. Hippo eased 0.85% to close at 34.95 cents, while CBZ was 0.45% lower today to close at 11 cents, while capping the fallers. Not a single counter countered the losses to close with an overall negative breadth of minus 6 stocks. Total value traded for the session came in at 2.375 million, which is a sharp upsurge from the previous call-over. Turnover was paid by blocks in Delta worth a total of $2.2 million, or 93% of the total. Other top contributors included Hippo and Pearl. The beer maker Delta topped volumes contributions, followed by Pearl, as both sped volumes to 6.94 million shares, which exchanged hands. In terms of our market comment, the current downward trend can best be explained in terms of lack of demand and liquidity on the local market. Participation by local funds has grossly declined since 2014, with most adopting a wait-and-see attitude. This has led to increased bargaining on the downside by foreign buyers as they capitalize on the lack of demand from elsewhere. Local funds are however trapped as they find their portfolios mainly in the red owing to higher take-on prices of between 2009 and 2010, a period between which most accumulated their holdings in various stocks. The rationale therefore of averaging down their cost becomes less attractive as determining a market bottom remains a challenge.